Now, question number 10. Find the area of rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1 taken in order. We draw here rhombus A, B, C and D. A 3, 0, B 4, 5, C minus 1, 4 and D minus 2, minus 1. Find the area of rhombus. We know formula. What is the area of rhombus? Yes, 1/2 into product of diagonal. Correct. Area of rhombus is equals to, we know that area of rhombus is equals to 1/2 into product of diagonals. Product of diagonals, that means AC into BD. We find here its diagonals AC and BD. Using which formula to find AC? Distance formula. We know that area of rhombus equals to 1/2 into product of diagonals. Product of diagonals. Here rhombus ABCD is equal to 1/2 into AC into B. Now we find AC. How we find AC is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, 3 minus minus 1 square plus 0 minus 4 whole square is equal to 3 plus 1, therefore 4 plus minus 4 square is equal to 16 plus 16 root 32. What is value of root 32? 16 2s are 4 root 2. AC is equal to 4 root 2. We find here BD. BD is equal to under root 4 minus minus 2 square plus 5 minus minus 1 4 plus 2 which number? 6 square plus 5 plus 1 6 square 36 plus 36 6 root 2 here 36 plus 36 72 36 2s are 6 root 2. We find here AC and BD. Now ABCD is equal to 1/2 into AC into BD. Using this formula, 1/2 AC is equal to 4 root 2 and BD is equal to 6 root 2. 6 2s are 12 into root 2 24. ABCD is equal to 24 square units. 24 units square or square units. Area of rhombus, to find area of rhombus is equal to 1/2 into product of diagonals. Find diagonals by its distance formula. Using distance formula, here completed our revised syllabus of chapter 7.